Associate value proposition, it sounds like three fancy words that stand for something really simple, which is, why should you, as an associate, come to work every day at MSC? Most people want to be part of something that's bigger than themselves, that's part of making a difference in the world, and that's why we believe that getting in touch with the company's why, with the company's purpose, is so important to our associate value proposition. Here at MSC, over the past year or so, we've rolled out to everybody in our organization what it is that we stand for and why it is that the world is a better place because MSC is in it. We tried to capture that in just two words, and those two words were fuel potential. More recently, we took that purpose to our trade partners, to our customers and our suppliers, and we captured that notion in a few more words: built to make you better. And Built to Make You Better as a platform is intended to capture the spirit of this company and why it is that we were founded by my grandfather, Sid Jacobson, 75 years ago. He founded the company on the principle that he wanted to strive for greatness, to do something different and special, but there was a twist to it. There was a real humility to the founding of the company, and the desire was to do great things, but to benefit others. And that's where the mission statement came from so many years ago, to be the best industrial distributor in the world as measured by our stakeholders. The Built to Make You Better platform is really resonating with people. And it's resonating with people, I think, on two levels. Number one is, there is a sense that we've reconnected to the legacy of the business. And that's important, to know that there's history, and the company, our future and where we're going is grounded in where we've been for 75 years. At a second level, people want to make a difference. People want to be part of something that's bigger than themselves and have an influence on the world around them. And this purpose is allowing them to feel that and to believe in what it is that the company believes in.